So today is Mellow's birthday. Well, actually, I don't really know the exact date. I was planning to do this beginning of January, but past couple of months has been um, rough for us because of my mom passing and being at the hospital for several weeks. So now everything is just kind of going back to normal again. And finally have some time to maybe celebrate Mellow's birthday, even if it's just for a little bit. So I made her like a food of her favorites. It's made out of rice, mixed with cucumbers and other vegetables, and sprinkled with millets. And then in the middle is a melon. Hopefully, Mellow will like it. We're about to find out. So here we go. Mellow, happy birthday, Mellow. There we go. Mellow eating her birthday cake. Let me. So far, she's only eating the mallet on top. How do you like your cake, Mellow? Looks like she's only eating the the mallet. You know what? Let me get that out. There you go. Is it good, Mellow? Nope, she's completely ignoring me. How does it feel being 1 year old, Mellow? Yep, completely ignoring me. Looks like you like your cake, huh? So January 7th is the date that I'm setting for her birth date. I don't really know the exact date, but I do know that she was about a couple weeks old when I adopted her, and that was around, I think it was March. So I figured it'd be around January. I didn't want to make it, beginning of January because it's New Year's. So I figured January 7th would be a good date for her birthday. She hasn't made any noise, so I'm guessing she likes her cake. You done, Mellow?